So we can use the age of a tree together with the height of a tree to determine something that is referred to as site index. Being an index, it's an indicator, and in this case it's an indicator of the quality of a site. And these are frequently used on soil surveys, for instance. You can look at a soil survey, and the soil survey for a particular soil series, when you look it up in the tabular information, may say that for loblolly pine, this should be a site index 90 soil series. So we'll show you how this works based on the measurements that we took from the last tree. So we said that the tree was 16 years in age. We counted 13 rings, and we added 3 for the age it took to get to breast height, so a little bit beyond halfway. So we're going to draw a line here, a little beyond 50, or beyond 15, and we're going to go straight up. And the height of the tree was 40 feet. So you didn't see us measure that, but we did, and so we come across 40 to see which of these lines it intersects. So it intersects this line here, so we follow this out to the axis, and it turns out that land represented by that tree at that age is site index 90 land. What does that mean? Well, site indices in forestry are based on what's called a base age. This particular graph shows site index curves at base age 50. What does it mean? So we measured a 16-year-old tree that was 40 years old and determined it falls on the site index 90 curve. What that means is we would expect that that tree, by the time it reached 50 years of age, that's what the base age means, would be 90 feet tall. So we could come over and to a different part, maybe a different stand, and maybe it's a different age. Maybe it's the tree that we happen to measure is 30 years of age, but it's 50 feet tall. If we did those lines, we come up 30 and 50. Two different trees, different ages, different heights from different stands, but it hits the 70 curve. That means loblolly pine that grow on that stand for 50 years are only going to be 70 feet tall, but over here they would be 90. That is a much better site. This is a higher quality site for loblolly pine. So that's how you use a combination of age and height to determine site quality. And again, that's a very well accepted index. They're even referenced in soil series.